हाय ऑल ऑफ यू, ऑनलाइन बेटिंग में आपका स्वागत है। हेयर आई एम टू टेल यू हाउ टू डू बेट्स ऑन this application on the cricket matches of IPL. And like right now the match is going on, Royal Challenger versus Bangalore and versus Delhi Capitals. Right now the score is, you are seeing 50. On the score of 50 there are 3 wickets and 7.3 balls has gone, and the ratio is going on Delhi and Royal Challenger Bangalore is like, if you done a bet of Delhi Capital, on there are two words Lagai and Khai, and if you want to make win Delhi Capital, then for 1000 bet of, you are seeing 140 rupees you are winning on Delhi Capital, and you are losing 1000 on Royal Challenger Bangalore. If you want to make win on this time, the situation of this match is right now is very critical. The most chances of winning of on this time is for Delhi Capital. That's why the ratio is high on Royal Challenger and the ratio is low on Delhi Capital. And one second, like, if I want to make win Royal Challenger Bangalore, then I have to click it in the front of Royal Challenger Bangalore. I have to click it on Lagai. I am placing a bet of 1000 on Royal Challenger Bangalore. Like, I have clicked right now, and I am winning 6600 rupees on the loss of 1000 on Delhi Capital. I am not placing bet on this match because this is a account of mine. Like, I just want to here to tell you how to do bets. So if you want to make win Royal Challenger Bangalore, then you have to click it on 7.6 in the front of Royal Challenger Bangalore. If you want to make win Delhi Capital, then you have to click in the front of Delhi Capital on 14. 140 you are winning, and 1000 is a loss on Royal Challenger Bangalore if Royal Challenger RCB wins. Okay, and these are the fancy bets are going on. The below you are seeing in 10 over there are two things. Only 10 over means that, like, there are 6 balls in 1 over, so they are asking how much on they will score on that 6 balls of the 10th over. Okay, like, they are asking they will score 9 run, yes or not. If yes, then it has to be more than 9 run in the 10th over. On the 6 balls of 10th, total 6 balls are there in the 10 over, then it has to be 9, more than 9 if you are doing yes. Okay, and they are asking 10 over RCB run. The total run asking, they are in the total 10 run, 10 over, they are asking for 70 run or not. If you done yes, the score has to be minimum 70 or above 70. If you do not, if you click it on not, then the score has to be below than 70. Okay, and in first inning also it is also come like this, and they are asking for 15 over 15 over. The total they are asking for 115 run and 117 run, yes. Okay, if you think that the score is going to be below than 115, then you have to do not. If you think that the score has to be above 117, then you have to do yes. Fall of fourth wicket, like the 3 wickets are gone, right? Total 3 wickets gone right now. 57 run score is going on right now, and the 3 wickets gone. Okay, and they are asking 57 on 83. The score right now is going on 57. 1 second, 58 run is right now the score on the board, and they are asking for fall of fourth wicket. Listen about carefully about fall of fourth wicket. If you are doing guess, then no wicket has to be go before 84. If you are doing not, then score has the wicket has to be go before 84. Listen carefully. If you are doing yes, then no wicket has to be go before 84. If you are doing not, the wicket has to be fall before 84. Like another bet is Virat Kohli runs. Like Virat Kohli is going to be score 54 run, yes or not. If you think that he will score 54 yes, then you have to do yes. And if you are think he is not going to be do 54, then you have to do not. The same is thing on Moeen Ali. They are asking. And other Virat Kohli boundaries. Like he will how much boundaries he gonna do, like 4 and 6s, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right now I am not able to see what are they are giving. So this is the bet. If you do yes, then they have to score that boundaries. If you do not, then they hasn't be. And the other fences are 2 over run session, 12 14, all are same. Yes means yes, not means no. Thank you. If you don't get anything, then you can ask me again. Okay, you can do me WhatsApp and I will tell you on WhatsApp also. If you are not getting anything, अगर आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा तो आप मेरे से WhatsApp पे पूछ सकते हैं. बट आपको मैंने सिंपली बता दिया है कि कैसे कैसे बैट होती है. सेशन में आपको येस करोगे तो येस होना चाहिए, नॉट करोगे तो नॉट होना चाहिए. सिर्फ फॉल ऑफ विकेट में थोड़ा कन्फ्यूज़न है सबको. येस करोगे तो विकेट नहीं जाना चाहिए, नॉट करोगे तो विकेट जाना चाहिए. ऐसे ही भैया रॉयल चैलेंजर बेंगलोर को जिताना है तो जो सामने लगाई है ना, रॉयल चैलेंजर के सामने जो लगाई है ब्लू रंग का ऑप्शन है, उस पर क्लिक करो और उसको जिता दो. अब दिल्ली कैपिटल्स है, दिल्ली कैपिटल्स के आगे 14-15 लिखा हुआ है. अगर आप दिल्ली कैपिटल्स में 14 पे क्लिक करते हो तो दिल्ली कैपिटल के सामने ब्लू वाले पे आपको क्लिक करके दिल्ली कैपिटल को जिताना है. तो आप दिल्ली कैपिटल के सामने 14 पे क्लिक करके जिता सकते हो. जैसे मैंने 14 पे क्लिक करा और मैंने 10,000 लगाया तो मुझे 10,000 का 1400 मिल रहा है दिल्ली कैपिटल पे, अगर मुझे दिल्ली को जिताना तो. ठीक है, अगर मुझे प्लेस बेट करनी होगी तो मैं प्लेस बेट कर दूंगा. मिनिमम बेट हमारी इसमें वेबसाइट में मिनिमम बेट इज़ 100 रुपीज़, मिनिमम डिपॉजिट इज़ 500 रुपीज़. ओके, एंड आप मिनिमम 500 जमा करा सकते हैं और मैक्सिमम हमारा 10 लाख का डिपॉजिट होता है. अगर आप कहोगे तो 10 लाख का डिपॉजिट भी हो जाएगा. और हमारा जो लेन देन होता है वो पेटीएम, गूगल पे, फ़ोनपे के थ्रू होता है. डेली विड्रॉल हमारा 3 से 5 के बीच में होता है. द डेली विड्रॉल अवेलेबल ऑन आवर बुक इज़ 3 PM to 5 PM. एंड 1 सेकेंड, और क्या रह गया है. देखो अब जैसे ना कई बंदे ये पूछते हैं जैसे कि भैया देखो दिल्ली कैपिटल है, ये खाई क्या है, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ खाई. सो if you want to make win Royal Challenger Bangalore, so you can do this thing also. You can click on 15, you can click on 15 and place a bet of 1000 rupees. Then you are losing 150 rupees on Delhi Capital and you are winning 1000 on Royal Challenger Bangalore. मतलब यही है कि भैया अगर आप नीले पे क्लिक कर रहे हो, इफ़ यू आर क्लिकिंग ऑन ब्लू, देन यू आर मेकिंग अ विन ऑन द सेम टीम इन द फ्रंट ऑफ दैट. अगर आप दिल्ली कैपिटल के सामने ब्लू पे क्लिक करोगे तो दिल्ली कैपिटल को जिता रहे हो. अगर आप रेड पे क्लिक करोगे, इफ़ यू आर क्लिकिंग ऑन रेड, देन यू आर मेकिंग अपोजिट टीम, मेकिंग विन इन द मेकिंग विन अपोजिट टीम. 1 second. If you are clicking on 15, you are making win Royal Challenger Bangalore. If you are clicking in front of Delhi Capital on the red option, then you are making win Royal Challenger Bangalore. Same like this. If you are clicking on front of Royal Challenger Bangalore on the red option, then you are making win Delhi Capital. See, I am winning 1000 rupees on Delhi Capital and losing 6800 rupees on Royal Challenger Bangalore. Both are same. The simply is like you have to click it on in the front of team on the blue option if you want to make win. Like if you want to make win Delhi Capital, then click it on blue color in the front of Delhi Capital. And if you want to make win Royal Challenger Bangalore, then click on 1000 on in the front of blue option on Royal Challenger Bangalore. Thank you, and take your user ID now and start doing betting today. Thank you all of you.